Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow grass on red clay soil. Well, this question is very personal to me because when I lived in Vancouver, we bought a home in a new development, and it was basically a mud pit. It was a swamp that they built a development on. So underneath all the houses was just this red clay that was just this mushy mess. And everything died in the wintertime because it just rotted right out, including the grass. So the only way that you can grow anything on top of the red clay soil is by adding lots of compost and potting soil above it. So you want to make a raised bed basically on top of your soil. So we had a truckload of potting soil delivered, and they shot it with a hose over the back fence, exactly over the whole backyard evenly. We grass seeded that really well, and we did it in the spring or the fall, and fall is actually the best time because then it'll get a chance to grow and be wet all winter. And the grass grew eventually. It took us a couple years, but it was lush and green on top of that red clay soil.